Hi, in this video let me show you how to restart your HP LaserJet M234dw. In case you're having issues, especially with Wi-Fi, this is what most people complain about this printer. I'll show you how to reset it. After the reset, you'll have to reconnect it to the HP app on your phone or on your computer. Step number one, make sure that this display is turned on. If it's blank, you're going to press once on the I button to wake it up. Next, we have to press the I button during 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Next step, press the Wi-Fi button and the X button both at the same time. Like that, and release. It will take around 30 seconds, and after that, the printer will be resetted. You know that the reset has been completed when the light under the HP logo will be purple. Purple signifies that the HP printer is now into setup mode, ready to be set up like a brand new unit. So again, wait around 30 seconds, maybe it's 1 minute in your case. The printer will make some noises. This is normal, it's resetting, and at the end, the purple light will come. Here we go. Thanks for watching. I hope this solved your issue. If you're still having issues with your printer, I suggest you disconnect it from the power source and you plug it back after waiting 5 minutes. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.